You know, ever since internet bidding came, it's really supported pricing in these auctions. And I've seen some cars that have been absolutely terrible and way underrepresented on stage. So here's an example. Now this one isn't as bad as I've seen, but this is a 74 914 2-liter. So we'll come back to some of the things, but so it's a fuel injected car. Fuel injection's missing. It's a carbureted version now. So this will show, and I looked at the online listing, it'll show very nice. It's got a period correct radiator, it's got air conditioning, seats. They didn't show that, I'm sure. Carpet's worn. That'll show nice. Paint will show beautifully in the pictures, but if you look at it closely, you can see areas where it wasn't prepped right. You've got scratches. You've got original rubber that's cracked and rotted away. On the other side, well, you can see it over here too, but you can see the paint's very thick. I obviously wasn't stripped, and you know, in here they just taped this thing off and sprayed it. So again, this car, to be nice, you'd have to do a lot of work too. So this is one that I would call when they put lipstick on a pig. And to an internet buyer, it's going to look pretty good. 914 is a car that I think is underloved. I have two of them. They handle like they're on rails. They just lack power for like an autocross, but again, got the gauge package. This car will look nice under the lights. It looks nice in the pictures. An internet buyer will be potentially fooled, and we'll see what it goes for.
1974 Porsche 914 Targa. Got a mid-mounted 4-cylinder engine, 5-speed manual, removable target top. Target down, not gonna bit of a 35. I'm gonna bit of a 35 down. I'm gonna bit of a 12,000 a bit. I'm gonna bit of 15 pound a bit. And 15. I'm gonna bit of a 15, 17, 17. I'm gonna bit of 16 pound. I'm gonna bit of 17,000 on 16 is online. I'm gonna bit of a 17. Take you 18 in it's out. 18 free service off. 18 pound a bit. In 17, 18. I'm gonna bit across the block. Gonna bit 18,000. 18 a bit. I'm gonna bit 18 pound. 17, 18, 18 to bid, I'm gonna bid 18, internet last call, 18 to bid, I'm gonna bid 17, 18 pound bid, I'm gonna bid 18,000, sold 17,000 dollars next way.
Okay, I'm in the secondary staging lanes, looking at a car that I like the year, a 73 Corvette, 1 year only, white 454 4-speed car. It looks mostly original. As I can see, you know, these cars didn't have very good paint to start with some flaws. You can see the door is out of alignment. The wheels missing trim rings.
And this guy pulls up right behind me and he's like, hey.
So everything on this car is pretty rough. Now this might be one that somebody fooled the internet. Interior's okay. Looks like it's a AC car, 4-speed, original stereo, tilt wheel, which is important. But I'd say the paint, probably mostly original, very rough. So this car, to me, is probably closer to a 4. So we'll look up the value and see what that goes for.
Now showing his lot E148 1973 Corvette Coupe with a 454 big block LS4 under the hood. Finishing classic white exterior with T-top, saddle interior, air conditioning, and power windows. Please note, title branding on the title rebuild. Live high, 40, 30 pounds and out of bed. You get 30 pound dollar, then I got 10 pounds a dollar. Thank you again. 12 pounds a dollar, 12, 15 pounds, 21 pounds a dollar. Now 2, free service off, 21, internet drive, 22 pounds out of bed. You now 1, 2, hit 21, I'm going to do 22 pounds a dollar. Anybody else? So 21 pounds a dollar, so 21 pounds a dollar. Brandon, take a look here, buddy.
They were looking at, I think, a 79 Trans Am. This car, this might qualify for lipstick on a pig, so you can see clearly signs of age, wear, sun damage, where they put a paint job, and this paint job isn't even that good of a paint job on these cars. They don't got cracks on the dash, so this car might look good to someone that's an internet buyer. A lot of spray paint on this engine bay, so this car is definitely qualifies for. They got nice wheels, shiny paint, but this car is barely a 4, and so we'll see if this fools an internet bidder.
Pounds if it goes on.
Now offering J84 1979 Pontiac Trans Am Coupe, a V8 automatic with new performance tires.
Now pass on here, 50 pounds and 50 under half, 50 pounds, give it 20 pounds and to the bid, go 20 pounds and to the bid, 25 pounds and 20 here, 25 anywhere, and 25 pounds and 51 on bid, anybody on hand, 51 on bid, 5 pounds and to the down, 25 anybody on the bid to the where, 25 bid, 25 51 on bid, 5 anywhere, 25, 22, 22, 22, 22, 22, down 5, 22's up front, 25 pounds and down 5, 22, 5's over here, 7, you're out in the head, you're out over here, 25 on the pounds and to the down, 25 here, 27 pounds and 5 is at 25, we're out up front, 27, 25, 27 pounds and 28, anywhere, get $28,000, 28,000, 28,000, now 9, 28 is on the internet, now 29,000, 28, reserve is off, 29,000, 28 here, 29, anywhere, 8, 5, now 29, 28, 5 on the floor, 29,000, internet, third time, did you want to pay, 29, anywhere, did you want to give a 9 and a 9 and a 9, last call, internet, 28, 5 here, 29, anywhere, did you want to bid a 9,000 to the pay, did you want to ball name, did you want to bid 29,000, so $28,500.
Okay, another car in, I'm not sure how many I'll do. Here's another one that was sitting right next to that Porsche. Is a Jaguar Series 2. I think it's a 1970. And these cars are sought after, valuable. This car, I looked at the pictures online, looked pretty good. But man, this thing is rugged. I'm not exactly sure what's missing in here. I have a V12. I would say there's components of the AC that are missing. This thing is tired, but the paint looks bright and shiny, but multiple flaws that don't show up in the pictures. A dent and a crack, a dent and a crack. The quality of the paint is terrible. You got overspray everywhere. You got all the original rubbed off. The chrome is pitted. Top is okay. The interior is okay. It does have AC, it looks like, but none of the components are there. I don't remember that. The steering wheel is pretty aged. Underneath, I looked at it. It is a rattle can job. Again, the chrome, which looks okay on the pictures, is pitted and rusted. Gonna have to be totally redone. This is a car that someone has also put lipstick on, and not a lot of lipstick, but enough. That's all spray painted black. God knows what rust issues might exist underneath, but that's rough. We'll see what that one goes for.
1992 1970 Jaguar E-Type Series 2 Roadster, matching numbers, inline 6-cylinder, 4-speed manual. Old red Jag down, I'm gonna be a minute, 16, 15, and 15,000 a minute, I'm gonna be a minute, 15, I'm gonna be 20, 25, and 20 minute, I'm gonna be 5, I'm gonna be 5 here, I'm gonna be 5 down, 30 down, 30 here, I'm gonna be a minute, 25, and I have 42,500, last call, 42.5, and I'm gonna be 5 in, I'm gonna be a minute, 25, I'm gonna be a minute, 5 of this, I'm gonna be 42,005. Got close in at 41 pounds and got close in at 41. It takes. Does it take 44? Okay. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take the reserve on the car off the block. Anybody get $42,000 on the Jaguar? E-Type reserve is on 42,000 on the bid. Travis, he wanted 42. 42,000 a bid. $42,000. Yes or no? Not gonna bid about 42,000. So 41,000 total. $41,000 Kingsway. Now offering D9.